Hello and welcome. So, we're trying to find the topic. We now have an idea of what we want to do, but we want to be sure that people are actually interested in what we want to write about. Because what's the point of writing a book that people may not be interested in? So, the first place that I would usually go to go and look for what to write on is I'll go to Quora. Quora, Quora.com. That's where I'll go to. Then when I open my Quora account, you see ask, you see answer, you see post. So what I now do is I just come here and then let's say I am interested in developing social skills for children, trying to teach children good manners. I can just type social skills uh, for children. I can't see that. So I've seen various suggestions. So social skills, and then I can now see what actually a good social skill. What makes a good social skill? What is social skill to you? Why are social skills important? How important are social skills? So I'll just go here. What are good social skills? What actually are good social skills? And then I'll see all of these options. All of these options, now come up. So, okay, I've seen this as a social skill. It has 5.5 thousand views, 27 upvotes, and the rest. Now I'll keep that. You can, keep tweaking the topic and all of that to get what you want. But social skills, I've gotten that now. Now, another place that I would now go to is the Amazon itself. I'll go to Amazon KDP Amazon.com. Sorry, let me do that again. I'll go to Amazon.com. That's where I'll go to. Now, this is it. www.amazon.com. So this is the Amazon website. Then I'll now go Amazon search. I'll now search books. You can do books. You can do ebooks. You can do books for kids, anything. I'll just do general books. And then I have various options here. Remember that we're just searching generally with nothing in mind. You can narrow down your search as much as you can, just so that you get what you want. So we're doing social skills, yeah? So you can now come here on Amazon and then let's go to best books of the year, best books of the month, and then this one, Lycon Highway, number one book of 2020, and then all of these various titles. We can come to top here and then look at it and see what they have here to give us an idea of what we want to do. Let's look at children's books and see what is there. All these are low content coloring books and the rest. Okay. And so on hardcover. All these are storybooks for kids and the rest of them. Then you can actually just go to the search bar and just look at social skills and see how you know. So you see social skill games, social skills activities for kids, social skill books for kids, social skills for teens. Let's see social skills books for kids. This is social skill activity for kids, 50 fun activities for making friends and all of that. This person, look at this one. Oh, 4,062 sold already. This person, our diversity makes us stronger. Social emotional books for kids, about 314, and it has a 6-star rating. This is another one, and so on and so forth. So this gives us an idea whether the social skill book will sell or not. Now, we have gone through Amazon and then Quora. The last place that we would now check is Google itself. So we would look for social skills. We just search on Google, and then what are social skills? You can even do social skill books, and then you see all the ideas. So you would now know whether social skills is something that people are going to buy, people are going to be interested in. For me, I think this topic is okay. So now we know that social skills would sell. We'll now find the way of tweaking the topic so that it gives us what we really want. Then finally, the last place that we would usually search is answerthepublic.com. So when you come to answerthepublic.com, you now type the question. So I want to search for something here. Enter a topic where you say eat chocolate. So I'd write social skills, and then I'd now search. Now it's still trying to load the information. Let's see. So this is what has come up. Under can social skills deteriorate? Can social skills be taught? Can social skills be improved? Under when are social skills important? When teaching social skills. Under why social skills are important? Why social skills are important for students? Under who social skills, what social skills are important. Under our social skills. Under how, so these are the various questions people are asking on social skills. And then anyone you're interested in, you just click on it, and then it takes you to the information on Google. So these are some of the resources that you can use so that you are sure that whatever you want to write on is something that solves a problem and people will be interested in.